Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Blams. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today's video is a plan with me for this past week, the week of Thanksgiving. This week I am planning using this Thanksgiving kit from Glam Planner. I believe this is a kit from last year, maybe the year before. It's a beautiful neutral kit that I felt went really well with both silver and gold accents, so I'm doing a little bit of a toned down mixed metal situation with where I did my best to alternate using silver and gold pieces on each day. So my scripts for one day would be gold and then the next day would be silver, and so on. The whiteout that you saw me using is by Tombow, and if you have any questions about where anything I use is from, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to let you know where anything you have questions about is from. Since the bottom washi is very light, I did pretty much white out all of the lines on the bottom of both pages. This was a very tedious task, but I think it wound up looking better in the end, especially since I didn't use any foil overlays on the bottom washi portion. I did decide to split up the double box scene of the table flat lay over Wednesday and Thursday. Oops, sorry if you just heard that door closing. Over Wednesday and Thursday, just to try something different. And then this washi, this bottom washi, also had a second glitter strip that is in silver, so I just put that in right above the bottom washi to kind of try to cover up the dotted lines on the bottom of each column there. This kit did come with 2 double box scenes, so I placed the second one over the bottom third of Saturday and Sunday, and then here I'm just plotting out where to put the remainder of my full boxes. This week I did decide to place a full box on the top of the sidebar and then go back to my old format of using the 3 heart checklists that the Glam Planner kits come with to sort of give myself a guide for important things that I want to get done both this current week and next week. Then I'm just placing down some bougie boxes on the remainder of these sections. These boxes are full box confetti overlay tapes from Rose Colored Days, and just putting down the rest of the glitter headers that were an add-on for this kit in the alternating pattern that I usually do. I put down that shopping bags full box to mark Black Friday shopping, and then continued to put down the rest of my full boxes, glitter headers, and bougie boxes. I did do some Black Friday sticker shopping online. Let me know down below what shops you picked things up from for Black Friday, or if you are watching this tomorrow on Monday, what you're picking up for Cyber Monday. I'm interested to see what everyone is looking at getting, in case you all give me some ideas for shops that I haven't considered yet. I've already placed way too many Black Friday weekend, Thanksgiving weekend orders, but you never know. Yep, so we're just finishing up this part of the base, and then we will move into the rest of the sidebar. My date numbers are in gold, and they are from Harriet Wright Designs. I use those a lot. And I believe, if I remember correctly, I placed another order maybe with them, maybe not though. I think I skipped Harriet Wright Designs. I couldn't justify the conversion rate cost. But I did order some foiled date numbers from the Glitter Mama this morning, I think. And then for my second box on the bottom of the sidebar, I did, no, I didn't put that on the bottom of the sidebar, I moved it. I moved the weekly tracker box to the middle of the sidebar, and then did my standard, this week 3-heart checklist, habit trackers, and then the next week 3-heart checklist on the bottom, with space for my favorite moment of the week that I mark with a positive thoughts script from Letters to Apollo, separating things with the remaining glitter headers, and then putting that weekly box more towards the middle of the sidebar to use to track my workouts or exercise for the week. And then I am just topping off the column with a glitter header, and I can't remember if I used a November script or not up there at the top, but if I did, it is from Rose Color Days. I did also pick up a bunch of the Glitter Mama ones, the Glitter Mama Months scripts, to use for this purpose of topping off the sidebar. I've seen many planner girls do this recently, most recently Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. I saw her do that on the top of her spread for her last, that she put up a couple of days ago, I think. And then I just put the little dot deco across the top, and then I am moving some things around and pulling in these header overlays that I believe were they're a freebie from Rose Color Days in this gold confetti pattern. And then I'm pulling in other gold full box overlays. You can see some from Sadie's Stickers. I believe I also pulled in some from Scribble Prints Co. and maybe Glam Planner. I don't remember off the top of my head just now. And so we'll just pull in some of those for the remainder of the full boxes. I hope everyone had a happy, safe, and healthy Thanksgiving. I know ours looked a little bit different than usual. We normally go and visit at least some of our extended family, but that did not happen this year. But we did have a very nice little Thanksgiving, just me and my husband and my mom, at our house. We had most of our normal food, but just, on a smaller scale. Let me know if any of you had to change your usual plans, any traditions. Maybe you've sort of taken this opportunity for a little bit of a changed schedule with COVID and everything to make some new traditions. Let me know in the comments below how your Thanksgiving was and what you're thankful for this year. I know this year I am thankful for my health. I am thankful for my job. I'm thankful for the health and safety and security of my family, especially since I've had some family members that need to travel during this time for emergencies, so they've all stayed happy and healthy, which is wonderful and all we could ask for. I am thankful for the newest little member of our family. We adopted, 1 week ago, we adopted a little kitty. His name is George Bailey. We adopted him 1 week ago, and we are very thankful for him. He is settling in nicely to our home. He is currently sleeping on our bed, and he is settling in nicely, and he has his first vet to visit with our family vet that we have had treat our family animals in the past for about 25 years. George has his first visit with him tomorrow afternoon. Oh, there we go. There, I put it in that script from Rose Color Days for the month. I marked journaling and working out in my habit trackers. That positive thought script again is from Letters to Apollo that I use to mark my favorite moment of the week, and the this week and next week scripts over the 3 heart checklists are also from Harriet Wright Designs. I wrote in healthy eating to try and keep myself on track with eating somewhat healthy for most of the week, at least until Thanksgiving. And I think that worked out for the most part. And yeah, so we're just getting into the day by day here. I put down just the boxes and things that I wanted to use. I did only use 2 of the work labels this week, since I only worked 2 days this week. We did have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday off for Thanksgiving. This is a bit of a new change to our schedule. Normally we only had a half day off on Wednesday. However, the PTA and the school board decided to make a change that started last year, I think, that gave us all of Wednesday off and Thursday and Friday, which is very nice, especially for anyone who needed to travel, which hopefully wasn't too many people, but I think it definitely helped. Let's see. What happened on this day? Oh, I had a lot of meetings on this day. I had a core team meeting for one of my students this day, our usual staff meeting, as well as our usual pre-K team meeting this day, and a bunch of one-on-one meetings with my students. So my day was mostly emails and meetings this day. I did some planning on Monday and also went to bed early. It was our first morning with George in the house, and we didn't sleep great the night before just because he was getting settled in. So we tried to go to bed early. Tuesday morning, I marked FaceTiming my mom with George just to say hi, with a FaceTime script from Scribble Prints Go, and that little cat on the phone is from Mixie Cut Stuff on Etsy. If you are interested, I do have a 15% off coupon code for Mixie Cut Stuff. You can use Caroline15 to save 15% on your orders from Miranda's shop on Etsy. I will have her shop linked below, as always. Let's see. Oh, I also called to schedule George's first vet appointment this day. Marked an online class with my students, our only live session day with a script from Sticky Essentials. I started watching to catch up on The Bachelorette this day. I use a script from Letters to Apollo, and that rose is from Franny Lamb stickers on Etsy. I used one of my new Once More with Love, I Did Nothing Today stickers on the top of Wednesday to mark that this was a day off. My husband did not have the day off, so I kind of had a day to myself. I did a lot of relaxing. I baked pumpkin muffins. You can see there that I used that little sticker from 29 Sticker Co. I don't think they're open anymore. As well as a mixer icon from Crafts by Towie. I got some Happy Meal this day that I put away, and we ordered Chinese takeout this day. The little icon is from Wonton on a Million, and the script is from Scribble Prince Co. My mom was over this night to sleep over at our house the night before Thanksgiving, so I used a piece of deco from the kit and the little eye mask icon to mark that in. Thursday was obviously Thanksgiving. That little script and turkey icon are from 29 Sticker Co. I think, and the little leaf deco are from NMH Sticker Creations on Etsy. There was obviously no school this day. I used a script from Jessica Hart's to mark that. The little Thanksgiving stickers on this day are from that same 29 Sticker Co. fall bucket list sheet. And we marked a good long playtime session with George at the end of this day with a tired cat icon from Mixie Cat Stuff and a little heart icon from the kit. I marked the continuation of Fall Break with that little piece of deco from 29 Sticker Co. I marked FaceTiming with some of our family with a sticker from Once More with Love. I marked Thanksgiving, no, not Thanksgiving dinner, ordering Chick-fil-A with the turkey icon from the kit. Whoops, sorry if you can hear that dog outside. That Sorcerer's Stone script and icon is from a Harry Potter sampler sheet from the Coffee Monsters Co. And yeah, just filling in the next week section. Then on Saturday, marking Sleeping In with a script from Scribble Prince Co. We ordered donuts this day. I used the Treat Yourself script from the kit and the donut icon from the Scribble Prince Co. food sampler sheet in gold. I didn't mark that. I marked decorating our tree and decorating our house for Christmas. We actually did this, or going to do this today, but I thought we were going to do it on Saturday, so the sticker is from Once More with Love, and the script is from the Glam Planner Halloween bucket list. I marked changing our sheets with a Once More with Love munchkin, and I marked uploading this video with a script from the kit and an Instagram icon from the kit as well. That is happening today, Sunday. I will be emailing George's documents and records to our vet today in anticipation of his first vet visit tomorrow, so I marked that with a computer icon from Murdoch Talks, and that is about it. Bye bye.